But before we get started, make sure that you all are staying safe and like washing your hand every 10 minutes or 20, and like wash your hand properly for 20 seconds. Like don't be in a hurry, just wash for 20 seconds. And so like sanitize your hand, wear a mask wherever you go. So stay home and stay safe. Don't go outside. This is just a video so that I can entertain you guys, so that don't go outside. Don't go outside. Don't do what I do. So these are my birds. So there are three. And these are lovebirds. They're going kind of crazy now. They're lovebirds. So the name of them is, the blue one is blue. This is the first one. This is yellow. The yellow is yellow. The green is green, according to their color. And this is their food right now. Like it's a seed. This is their food. Food right here. This is the water. So this is their cage. I mean, like if you want to buy the cage with it, you can buy it, or you can buy a separate. Or if you want a bigger one, you can buy it separate. Or I just bought this because like at first I just had two birds, the blue, and this is not the same green. I had another green which is the same as the color. So I'm going to tell you the story about it. So the green was having food over here. Me and mommy was playing inside, and the green was having food. The green was having food, but then it next got stuck and it tilted for a very long time. So it died, then we threw away. Then the blue was very lonely, like very lonely. It cries every night.
Okay.
Because so lonely. Then last year we bought this blue one, and before the lockdown, my mom bought me this like green one, just like the old one. So this blue and the yellow are female, and this green is only the male. So the green and the blue get well very together, female and male. And so the other female, which is yellow, she's getting jealous. So maybe after this lockdown, I'll buy her another one for her. And when you have these lovebirds, I mean, like they do a lot, so you better have to clean their cage once a week, or when it gets very dirty. See, it got very nasty here. I have to clean that today or so. So just like I told you, if you want to buy it, you can buy it. But just like I told you, stay home, stay safe. After this lockdown, you can buy it. So this is my lovebird. I mean, like, I like the blue one very much because it has like different colors to it, and like it's very beautiful. I like the green too. The green was very new. The blue is still very small. I do not have him for like almost 2.5 years after this. So like it's still very tiny. He is not grown. The yellow one is kind of big. The green one is the largest. I don't know why. So this is their food, this is their cage, this is them right here. So you can take this out so that you can clean their doo-doos, or you can clean their cage, and then you can change the water and all, just like this, you can take it out. And so, yeah, that's pretty cool. You can open this cage if you want to. Don't really, or don't do it outside or they might fly away. So, yeah, so if you want to hold it, you can hold it right over here. I have this section. This is where they play. It's a little swing set for them. So that's it for today's video. If you like it, please subscribe, like, and share. Make sure you stay home and stay safe. Share this video with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe. If you're not subscribing, are you even watching YouTube? Bye. So today I'm going to show you the picture of my laptop, so stay tuned for the video.